Sports on Air.
Welcome to our post-game press conference after San Miguel Times Series 2. We are joined by best player of the game and best player of the conference, Jumar Fajardo, and winning coach, Coach George Yara. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach George, after 3 hard-stopping close games, how satisfying is it to get the 10-point victory? What about this game makes you think that you're back to playing the San Miguel game?
Well, it's just nothing. It's a great win for us today, but we just tied the series, and we just made it a best of 3. I'm just happy that we talked about a lot of stuff yesterday in practice, and we just talked to one another and said that if we trust our teammates and we share the ball, that the offense will come, and it showed now. I think we had 111. I think this is the highest output in this series. So it's just a mindset of these players to trust one another and to share the ball. That's the philosophy.
Coach, this is the first time you've ever been on well in Terrence Robin making an appearance in this series. When did you decide to field him in, and how did they fare in the expectations you set for them?
Well, Terrence played well. He played quality minutes, and also Vic. I'm really happy with Vic. Even if yung minutes niya, it was only 7 or 8, but he really helped us a lot. His quality minutes were really great, and he really helped the team in today's victory. And also, Terrence played well, but I'm sure he's not healthy yet. But the kid just wants to win and just wants to help the team. That's why he played.
Thank you, Coach. Junmar, congratulations not just for the win, but also for winning best player of the conference. Sabi mo kanina na hindi mo alam na yung awarding ngayong araw. Anong kahalagahan ba nito pagiging best player of the conference mo for the 10th time? At paano ka binalakan sa laro yun ng ikaw?
Salamat po kayo kahit sino sa team namin pwede maging best player of the conference kasi sobrang lalo na natin na yan. And hindi yung nananagala na ako ng BBC. Kailangan ko talaga iyan yung sarili ko sa ilalim kasi pagkatalo kami, hindi ko ano mahirap na gusto namin manalo, gusto namin matayang series. And credit sa office staff, mga teammates ko, nag-step up kami lahat kasi yung pinasok ni coach, nag-step up lahat. So, yun kaya naman.
Junmar, sa huling mga laro, like yung pag-uusapan ng defense na pinapato sa iyo ng Radco. Ano ba talaga yung challenge sa binibigay nila sa iyo at masasabi mo ba naka-adjust ka na doon after this game?
Maganda yung defense na credit na sa mga. Hindi na sa akin, sa buong kasi limited yung mga namin, yung shots namin. Minsan nila mga 70 plus lang. So, ayun, tapos ngayon, yun nga siya ng coach. Maganda yung ano namin ngayon, pasahan sa buka. So, yun yung ano ngayon, yan na
At this point, you're opening the floor to Nita.
Pero when finally won it, because you were announced na BBC, ito naman ang ating motivation to perform this way the next game, 12 points in the first quarter. Gano'n ako motivated after winning the award?
Motivated ako kasi lahat kami one game sa series. So, and yung BBC bonus na rin. Kasi ako na nakuha yung BBC pero i-credit yun sa mga fans ko kasi
fully ended or they're still taking it day by day,
Day by day, he just decided to play because he really wanted to help the team. No? So I'm very happy that yung mentality niya sige, he talked to me yesterday and said, I'm gonna try it and I'm gonna really, in case na ipasok, if I bring him inside, he's gonna give his 110, which he did now. And then, and also to Vic, I talked to Terry today and said that, if there's a chance that I can bring you inside, can you play at least 110%? And they did it today, so very happy that they followed the instructions.
Coach, hindi ba nagiging na or hindi naman siya
He got kasi after the Rain or Shine series, he got kind of sick. So he did practice that was a 14-day break. So he did practice, I think, for 10 to 12 days kasi he was really feeling ill. So and he just stayed in his house. So siguro he's just getting his breath back. Now once, and it's coming back kasi in practice, he's doing extra work. And so he wants his timing back. So I'm sure it's gonna come back. I just hope soon. And about his best player of the conference, Junmar really worked hard for it. So it doesn't come easy. He worked hard for it. So I'm happy that he got it. As you said? Sorry. I'm sorry.
Kung saan gawin na series, how the series is being played, most of the time sigurado yung delivery and you're the one na parang kayo nag-a-adjust. It's kind of way na kasi isang shift.
No, I was saying because yung first 3 games they were dictating the game because they were averaging 16 more shots than us. So now I was looking at that. I think they just had 1 extra shot, and that's really a big factor. If a team averages 16 more shots than you, so that's really hard to that's really hard to beat and really hard to win. So now I just look at it. We just lost by 1. So the players really focused on that. And had effort getting the rebounds. Kasi lahat ng extra points naman nila was coming out from offensive boards. Imagine they had 22 the last game, and they had 16 more shots. So that was really a big factor today.
Kung sinyo 40 career record, okay ka ba doon if the other Meralco players are or would that be a
I think he had 48 now. 40. Yeah, well, as long as the rest don't score, we're fine. So he had his 40, but we kind of stopped the rest of them. So very happy for that.
Apakah bilang saya Ramos, so selamat semua fans San Miguel, semua fans yang PBB kita next game sa venue.
I'm good. Thank you.
Thank you, gentlemen. Congratulations.
Bye.
Habang umiinit ang mga laban sa inyong mga paboritong liga, mag-register sa 1xBet. Pwede nyo gamitin ang inyong browser o cellphone, mapa Android man o iOS. Gamitin nyo lang ang inyong mobile number o email at huwag nyo kalimutan ilagay ang promo code na SPONAIR. Kapag ginawa nyo yan, pwede kayo magkaroon ng bonus up to 7,000 pesos. Pwede nyo rin gamitin ang GCash or PayMaya account nyo para makadeposit or cash out. Simple lang, di ba? Kaya mag-register na sa 1xBet. Thank you for watching. Click the subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified with our latest videos.